I worked at a mafia nightclub in Youngstown, Ohio. I was 19. I was 19 years old, right? And I didn't know shit about the mafia. My father was the baddest motherfucker I'd ever seen. So the mafia didn't mean shit to me. I did not relate to the mafia. Right? And I worked with this lady, Satin Doll. She was the star of the show. Beautiful black stripper, right? Because usually in those days they had like in clubs they had a singer, a stripper, and an MC. I was an MC. She
let you grab it out, send them bones. Two have them faggots, digging hoes like Reverend Spraggart. LS niggas, grind follows, hitting models, stubborn punks with the fucking broken wine bottles. Beat chumps till the head split, then break them like a breadstick. A sex chick, even fuck a dead bitch. Always spraying with the deck shit because of staying facts. Some niggas come with them deck shit. I was in the projects, lay shit, threat shit. Jumped out on the Lincoln, left him stinking, put his brain in the streets. Now you can't see what he was thinking. I'm a choke enemy, style turning pale. Sit and sit, learning well. Big girl.
She was beautiful. She was 60 then.
Ain't even hard. Along with the head squad. Got styles you can copy, bitch. Drop with the mix straight from the E-double with them hockey sticks. Every Sunday none laying from a gun spray. Fuck Carlito's way. I'm doing the shit the devil done way. Every minute, style switching up. I sit, the wheel won't all hit a girl. Well, I ain't real, cause I beat a bitch up. I use the word, let the snitch up. Got nerves of a steel, I'm cool. But every now, motherfucker, I can argue with some fools. Urge on them, kill with them. Think of life the great price. Thrill with them. Doc step of heaven with the Mac 11.
I busted into the office with this motherfucker.
Let the bat put a cap back chest. Big girl mad stress. Cause hell is his address. Walking Satan, stricken Satan. Little kids, emancipating. Yellow mommy, big hell is stone of stain. Back fame, copy cane. Let the block floppy brains. Every time the same. Got an order cap, no bitch, arm off duty. Breaking hardy heart, nigga, dropping with the spark. Going to shoot, ain't no fooling apart. We falling apart, body parts. Keep it fresh, keep the braid watch. Never double stop, bitch, you got the brace brought. I catch the 8 shit. Be with me, nigga, you prevent the cut the case shit. Jumped out the damn rims. Leave a nigga body to down the block with the same rims. Girls logged out, got the 6 all the time, fucking pull out. Think about a blowjob, bitch.
Beautiful black stripper.
With the switch, crazy slap dicks for the 5 hitting in the ditch. Young niggas fight the fuck with C. Got a call, my nigga 182. Where he's at, what he see. Keep it black, special ed. Suggest you got to spread. Brazil head, turn the white sweat. Cause the 9X, that is the danger zone. Let it go, 24.
A cap pistol. You know them blank starter pistols? I busted into the office with this motherfucker in my mouth. All right, give me the money, motherfucker. Doing my best black shit, you know that shit usually scare Whitey to death. And these motherfuckers didn't do nothing. And I'm sure that those men are sitting in that room today laughing. Cause that's what this dude, he just started laughing. This fucking kid. Hey, wait a minute. Hey, Tony, come here. Where's Rich? Do the gun again. Hey, Tony, come here. Stick up. This fucking kid, come here.